Hi friends, how are you? Fine? Myself Satish Kumar Pandey and you are on online class of the St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Ladoi. Student, today we are going to discuss carbon and its compounds, subtopic tetrahedral nature of the carbon. Before going to start our topic, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon. Now student, first we discuss the tetrahedral nature. Tetrahedral nature means the four valency of the carbon. It means carbon have the four different sides where different group can be attached. Here I am showing the four hydrogen are attached here. First, as we know that carbon atomic number 6 and its electronic configuration 2 and 4 as per Bohr-Body concept. And this 4 that shows the valency of the carbon. That shows the valency of the carbon. Now, 4 valency which are attached with the carbon, they have very specific angle, and that angle 109 degree and 28 minutes. All the angle which are available along with this carbon that have the 109 degree and 28 minute angle. In this way, a very specific space carbon have between the two, like this, like this, like this. In this way, different group can be attached with this carbon side and prepare more and more. Carbon also have the same attaching capacity with the carbon, and that property known as catenation power. Now, some more compound I have given you, like C2H6. This is the ethane. One carbon here is combined with another carbon, and now the rest 3 sides are bonded by the hydrogen in this way. This is the ethane. Same way, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, a large number of the compounds are available in the nature. Due to the 4 valency, catenation power, a very specific character developed in the carbon that is known as allotropic form of the carbon. First, the allotropic form means the different form of an element which have different physical appearance and property, but their element property are same. That is known as allotropic form of the carbon. Now, allotrope means the different form of an element which have different physical appearance. Different physical appearance means physically different form, यानी कि वो हमको नेचर में अलग अलग रूपों में नजर आएगा, and its property are different and chemical properties are same. Chemical property means the chemical combination of the such kind of the compound, they are same, but physical appearance in the nature that are different. Here I am taking the 2 example. Number 1 diamond and number 2 graphite. As you know that diamond a precious stone and graphite that is not as precious as diamond. Diamond used to preparing ornament, or you know that how it is important, and graphite used the lead of pencil. Now, How they are different due to the structure? Let's see. Here I am showing you the structure, the chemical structure of the diamond. You are watching here a carbon, and this carbon attached with another carbon, and in this way a dense unit they have prepared, and this dense unit, that is known as diamond. The structure you are watching, this is too much complicated structure, and in this way carbon, further carbon, they are combined to another one due to catenation power, and a compact structure developed due to the high temperature and high pressure. As you know that the melting point of diamond, that is 4,827 degrees centigrade. Too much high the temperature, and it is a bad conductor of electric current. And when carbon attached to the another carbon by sp3 hybridization. This is structure of diamond. You are watching. But when we prepare the structure of graphite, it is a slippery structure. Under this structure, carbon attached with another carbon in a hexagonal ring. Now you are watching here the two hexagonal rings, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. In this way, large number of the hexagonal ring, which are sp2 hybridized, attached to each other by weak van der force. Between the two, a force, weak of force attack, that is known as van der Waals force. This force works between two like this. In this way they have attached to each other. It means one layer between another layer and another layer, a compact unit form, and this is known as graphite. It is used as a lubricant in different industry. It is also used for the writing purpose, and this is a good conductor of electric current. So now the physical character, one is when precious stone, very trace amount, it is available in the nature. Another very frequently available in the nature. One is bad conductor of electricity, another is a good conductor of electricity. It is the hardest material in the worldwide. This is a soft material. So in this way, a different properties of the same carbon are available in the nature, and we are going to discuss here. Now, student, if you have any query regarding